It's going to basically load layers. You're going to select stuff, go here, it's going to load them, and it's going to look the same somewhat. And then you'd be able to stagger them and you know, arrow stagger them and maybe change the in point and output. Kind of like what's the very famous one that's like hasn't been updated in like ages. Anyway, there's like 12,000 like scripts that do it, but I want something that's visual. And I thought maybe it would be cool to have like, so if you select multiple, there's a bounding box, and you can use the bounding box to skew it as well. So this would be an easy way. You can like Control A and maybe grab the top part and like just like skew it. So you end up with like a staggered layers. And also I want to also add some almost like liquify for layers. So you'd have like a circle around the cursor, almost like a soft select in Blender. And you can just like push a layer, but instead of pushing the single one, it will push everything that's in the range, but like with based on the distance. So if everything is aligned like that, you can do this here, but instead of doing this, it will actually do this because of the distance, like the size of the circle around the cursor will define how softly it will go. You know what I mean. Yeah, I just kind of want like a way to make these changes fast and visually. I don't like how all these scripts are like, how many keyframes do you want to stagger the layers from and choose your method into out and such. Kind of want to feel like I'm a human, you know? Kind of want to just like... Anyway, I made the basics actually and it works pretty nice. So I'm excited to see how it will turn out. And maybe also I'll add keyframes at some point.